How to download and install the MLB mobile app. Let's get started. Launch your App Store. Now in the search box, type in the app name MLB and then search for it. With that, app will appear. Now what you have to do is click on it. You're gonna get this option, Get. Clicking on that, your Face ID will be enabled or you'll be prompted to enter your Apple ID's password. Once you complete this process, download process will start. Make sure you have stable internet connection so that the download process will be faster. Once completion of this download process, you can launch it, use your credentials and use the app. And that's it. This way you can easily download and install MLB mobile app on iOS device. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.